Hi, good day everyone. How are you all doing today? Well, my name is Kennedy, and today I'll actually want to talk to traders regarding some simple mistakes that we do whenever we're trading. You know, we find it very easy to deposit, and then we find it very difficult to make money that we deposited, like to have a consistency. So what are these mistakes that many traders do? So today I'll be tackling that. I want you to understand the type of things that makes a trader to fail in this particular business as far as the journey is concerned. So why do traders, many of the retail traders, lose it big in this particular business? That is a key question today. We're going to talk about that. Okay, so my name is Kennedy from Universal Forex Consultants. As I said from our previous video, we are the leading consultancy firm in Africa, providing knowledge related to forex trading. We want you, fellow patrons, to be able to understand how the market works, so that you don't go to attack the market, but you go and apply the art in the market. You don't need to go and attack the market. Okay, so why do many traders fail in this particular market? The first key thing is this. Okay, it's greed. That is the first biggest cancer, that many traders face, this greed. So how do you know that now you are a trader who is greedy? How do you know that you now are a trader who is greedy? This all trickles down to what you had funded. Okay, so you find many traders, they fund, like an example, they fund little capital, the little equity. Once they fund that, they'll want to triple it in a single day. So the mistake comes here. You find many of them, whenever they start trading, they are all okay. But now see what they funded, plus what positions they are opening, plus what instrument are they trading, plus what's the projection of this of the same instrument they are trading. So you find someone is funding, like, let's say $50. So you find this trader is trading, let's say, a pair like GBP USD. And the same trader is opening how many positions of the same pair? They're opening almost times 5 using 0.01. You see? So that is how it leads to big catastrophe on their capital, on their margin, in case the market goes against them. Are we clear? So the first mistake that many traders do is that they first of all do not do what you call a self-evaluation. A self-evaluation is, first of all, realizing yourself, asking yourself questions before you take any trade. The first question you must ask yourself is, what is it that I want to focus with today? The second question is, how is the market performance today? Is it volatile or is it non-volatile? Okay? How is the trading behaviors today? Where can I get my entries? Okay, where can I get my entries? Many of us traders, we don't ask ourselves these questions. We just go to the market, we blindly execute a market based on what we've heard from other groups regarding the same pair, and then we execute. You see, instead of asking ourselves this single person question, so that you take decisions based on you confirming that indeed that is what you want to do. So why do we, or many of us traders, majority, lose it big? As I've just explained a little bit, it's in regards to your capital and the instrument you want to trade. As we all know, GBP/USD moves seriously, it moves rapidly. It's unlike, it's like of Euro/USD. GBP/USD moves very fast. It is one of a good pair as well to trade, but it all trickles down with how you understand what you want to trade. So as I was expounding more on the greedy part, you find many of us, we don't have a plan. We don't have a target. There's no target. We don't have a target. Many of us, you find, they don't have a plan. Some of us do not even have a strategy. So all this is an issue. Some of us do not cut their cloth according to your size. They don't have a target. A target is just like asking yourself, in that trade that you want to take, how much do you want to make from that trade? Okay, and how long do you want to be in that trade? You see, and then the plan. How do you plan yourself before you execute a trade? You see, you plan yourself and you equip yourself with the right knowledge. That is how you decide to say that indeed I know what I'm going to do in this particular business. I know I'm going to execute based on this knowledge. Don't use hopes. Don't use hope and pray. We know it's a powerful strategy that takes many people back to the village. If you find someone who's having $500, if they use hope and pray, they will be able to turn $500 to $5. You see, in just 5 minutes. That is a strategy of hope and pray. So what I want you traders to do is never have hopes, but you must have facts that you've anticipated, and you have your risk reward. You have your risk reward. RRR, risk reward ratio. Risk reward ratio. How much are you willing to risk, and how much do you want to gain? So I do say you can use 1:3 ratio, meaning I'm risking $1 to make $3. So my stop loss will be on $1 and my TP will be on $3. The problem that many of us do is that when they open many positions, they don't have the risk reward ratio. They don't have 1:3. That is why you find themselves doing the same mistake. You find little capital, you open more positions, you don't even know where you want to put your stop loss because of all those positions. I hope you're getting it very well. For you to be able to scale yourself slowly, you must be able to understand that whenever you're trading here, you're not competing against the charts. Okay? You're competing against other traders and professionals. So you must as well apply your professionalism in this business. Do not trade like someone who is just trading because they've seen their friend trade. That is now applying a gambling mentality, or because of peer pressure. Do not inject capital here that you're supposed to use to pay for other errands. This is an investment, and any investment, the first key investment is to invest in knowledge. I hope you're getting this very right, wonderful listeners. So as far as your trading journey is concerned, you must be able to have a target, you must have a plan, and you must have a strategy, and walk the walk with a pair. Example, if you were to focus with the Euro USD, get to understand it very well. Don't be jumpy. The problem with us is we want to be jack of all traders. You're already invested in the market. You've already injected your cash here. But what are you looking for? Is it money or a solution? Those that look for money, they get clouded in a sense that they'll not see where the problem is. But those that look for a solution, the money will just follow them. I hope you're getting this right. So if you want to really succeed in this business, first of all, it's all about the mindset. What do you tell your mind? What is it that you want to achieve? Is it a long-term goal that you're pursuing? Is it a short-term goal that you're pursuing? Or is it just you're doing it because it's leisure? People are different. So do not dare try to trade like any other person. Trade like you and you alone. I hope you're understanding this very well. So the nature of someone losing money is self-decision, not the market. The market is always right. You as a trader, you're the one who is repeating the same mistake. Do you have a trading journal? Do you have a diary? Do you write down how the market performed today and what's your future projection of the same market? Are we clear? So you find many of us just want to trade every day. If you open a supermarket, or just an example, you open a shop, you'll not necessarily get clients every day. You might get 100% clients today, tomorrow you might even just get 2. The day after tomorrow you'll not even get any. But you find many of us, they just want to be there. They just want to be in the market. They want to trade in the morning, they want to trade in the afternoon, they want to trade almost the entire day. And you find some of us, they make money in the morning, and it's in the evening, now they've returned their all money that they made plus some interest. You see, your mind as well need to relax. Whenever you are analyzing your market, you must be in an environment that is calm. Don't be stressed by other things, and then you're trying to attack the market because of those stress. Then you're going to add more stress on top of the previous stress. Are we clear? So as far as your personal growth is concerned, you must take wise investment decisions. You must make sure that anytime that you want to execute any particular trade, you have facts that backs your entries and exit with a stop loss and a take profit. The key thing, first of all, is a stop loss. SL is very important. Some of us, when they start making money, they feel like, no, they don't need an SL. SL is like an insurance cover, just like the way you have a car. When your car crashes, you never took an insurance cover, you are long gone, you see. But if you have an insurance cover, you can always back up. You can always get another one. In this case, you can be able to see where you did a mistake. If a driver is driving a car and then he or she causes an accident, whose fault is it? Is it the manufacturer of the car? Is it the accelerator? Or is it the driver? It is indeed the driver, because he is the one who is in control. He is the one who is controlling this automotive. So you are the one who is controlling your executions. You decide to say you're executing, it's because you judge to say, I want to execute. Not like you've been pressured, my friend, execute or we're going to execute you. I hope you're getting this, okay? So you must make sure that don't just trade for the sake of trading. Trade because you want to see your future in the Forex market. Trade because you really want to change your financial trajectory. Trade because you really want to get an extra income. I hope that I've taught you something about why many traders fail in this particular business. It is all about greed. It is all about not having a plan. All about not respecting the strategy. It's all about being jumpy, and opening loss of positions. Well, my name again is Kennedy from Universal Forex Consultants, and thank you all for listening to me. See you again next time. Bye bye.